Okay, jumping back into another video, I wanted to bring you a quick update. I'm absolutely exhausted, but it's no sleep season in crypto. We've been at this 24/7 catching these trades, and I'm going to bring you guys another banger today. So not financial advice, but stay tuned, and I'm going to tell you what I think is breaking out next and how high I think this can go. Meme coins are absolutely rocketing right now. We've had Bonk, Pepe, Whiff even breaking out today under resistance, and we've longed all these successfully. But I want to show you guys one of the old dogs, Shib. Looks like it's going to absolutely rocket here. And I know recently the Shib dog died. However, let's just look at this chart here, and value area high. It looks like we're peaking above now after we've been pinned under this level for so long. We had this big breakout with the RSI, came back down here, reset on the 50, pumped back up again, this huge move, came back down here, reset on the 50. And it looks like we're continuing this break here. And we'll see how important this value area high is on Shib. Because if we go to the lower time frame, you'll see this area we've held as support, 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 resistance, resistance, even again resistance, and this is our chance at breaking through right now. So not financial advice, but I've been scaling it in a Shib position here. Could it come back down? Yeah, it could do. But I'll look to scale in even lower and just buy down my position because I think this can absolutely run and I don't want it leaving without me. You can see how nicely, even on the 12-hour here, the RSI looks. We've had this big initial pump up, came back down here for momentum to reset on the 50 level, and then we're continuing to the upside as well as the awesome oscillator. We had this bullish divergence, and now we flipped positive here on the awesome oscillator. But look how high this can go. It's only slightly positive right now. We still have potential for this on Shib. So not saying it's going to happen, but would you want to be sidelined? So if you're in like XRP, HBAR, you're listening to YouTubers telling you buy those altcoins, honestly, minute silence for you guys because you're getting absolutely wrecked right now. It is meme coins, it is AI. Real world assets are running as well, but that's pretty much it. You want to be positioned in the things that are moving, the things with hype. And certainly meme coins do right now. So it's why we're looking at Shib. If we want to break this down further and we want to look at the momentum here, obviously we have this huge level here. To close above on, say, a 4-hour, on a 12-hour is absolutely massive. And we've not yet closed above on the 4-hour, but this candle closes, in 2.5 hours. So with this countdown coming, honestly, guys, look out here. And yeah, this could be just a sweep of liquidity right now and then close back below the level, which would be bearish. But let's couple that. Let's get some confidence on this trade. Why does it look so good? Well, if we look at the RSIs on different time frames, you can see here the orange line is the 50 level. This is the weekly, 3-day, daily, 12-hour, and 4-hour. You can see that on the weekly, we've had this huge push up. The momentum's come down and reset on the 50 because it can't just stay overextended forever. Eventually, this has to cool down. What you want to see is it cool off near the 50 level for continuation to happen again. What we see here, 3-day, exactly that. We had this big move, this huge bullish move here. The momentum came down to reset on the 50 level, and then we can get this continuation to the upside. The daily, again, once we lost this level, we actually lost the 50. And this was like a perfect example to short here. However, I do not short in a bull market, and I don't recommend you to either. But now since then, we've recovered the 50 level, and it looks like we're continuing to the upside. There's certainly plenty of room to go. 12 hours, extremely healthy again with this push above the 50 level and the 4-hour up there. Now, the important thing here is we can have like an RSI domino almost. If the 4-hour goes, then the 12-hour, the daily, the 3-day, and the weekly all move up to the upside. But the important thing is they're not too far overextended. So these have potential room for growth massively here. To get up to the 70 overbought is huge, huge growth here. So huge potential for growth. So let me know, guys, are you scaling a Shib? What other meme coins are you bullish on? Have you caught some of the bangers that we've posted in this? I think Wojak is up over like 2.5x right now. Bonk, Pepe up massive. So let's see, will this be another banger? I don't know, but like and subscribe and let me know what you're bullish on and what your price targets are for Shib. And let's just talk about price targets here on Shib. So you can see here in the bear market, we certainly didn't get anywhere near to retracing. So let's take the bull market high to bear market lows. We cracked the 236, made our way up to the 50%, came back down here, and then we're bullish, breaking back above the 236. And statistically, when we break the 236, we make our move up to the 50%. So from even here, because we were slightly short, is 71% move. If we look at trend-based fib extensions, if we're to be extremely bullish, we've got GameStop running right now. You look to crack back up here, the 618, but the price extensions would be at the one spot 212 at 300%, the one spot 618 at 400%, and then we can look at, once we get there, we can look at higher targets. But that would be certainly a massive, massive move, extremely bullish move. And once we get there, we're looking at targets beyond. But first stop, I'd be looking at the 382, 0.5, and then I'll be trading this, taking profits. If we get a bounce from the 0.5 back to the 382, re-enter, continue upwards, just locking in profits. That's how you turn a small amount of money into a huge amount of money in crypto. You want to take profits, reinvest them, buy lower, and that's certainly what we do. So like and subscribe, guys. Cheers.